Thinking about a real estate career in Texas? Here's your complete roadmap for getting licensed in 2026. First, Texas requires 180 hours of pre-licensing education, the most of any state. These are split into 6 30-hour courses covering topics from contracts to finance. You can take them online, which is the most popular and affordable option. As for cost, budget between $800 and $1,200 for the entire process. This includes your courses, the TREC application fee of $206, the $43 exam fee, and fingerprinting. Planning your budget correctly from the start prevents surprises down the road. Once your coursework is done, you'll submit your application online through the TREC Realm portal. After TREC approves it, which usually takes 1 to 2 weeks, you'll receive an eligibility letter. This letter is your key to scheduling the official exam with the administrator, Pearson VUE. You must have this approval before you can book your test date. This multi-step process ensures that only qualified candidates who have completed their education can sit for the state licensing exam. The Texas Real Estate Exam is a 4-hour test with 2 separate parts, a national section with 85 questions and a state section with 40. The tricky part is you must score at least 70% on each section independently to pass. A high score on the national portion won't save you if you fail the state-specific part. This is why so many test takers struggle. Mastering both general principles and unique Texas laws is absolutely essential for passing on your first attempt. A major change for 2026 is Senate Bill 1968. This new law directly impacts how you'll work with clients. The biggest rule change is that you must have a written buyer representation agreement in place before showing a property to a client you intend to represent. This eliminates ambiguity and ensures compensation terms are clear from the start. The law also officially eliminates subagency in all transactions. Understanding these new requirements is critical for passing the updated state portion of the exam. After passing your exam, there's one final crucial step: finding a sponsoring broker. In Texas, you cannot work independently as a new sales agent. Your license remains inactive until a licensed broker agrees to sponsor you and supervise your work. When choosing a brokerage, look beyond the commission split. Consider their training programs, mentorship opportunities, and the technology they provide. The right broker can provide the support system you need to build a successful career from day one. Getting your license is just the beginning. Your first renewal due in 2 years has a special requirement called Sales Agent Apprentice Education, or SAE. You must complete 90 hours of coursework, including a mandatory 30-hour real estate brokerage course. Unlike later renewals, these 90 hours cannot be deferred. If you miss the deadline, your license expires. Staying organized and planning for your continuing education early is a key habit for long-term success in the Texas real estate industry. The Texas Real Estate Exam is challenging, with nearly half of first-time takers failing, but you can be in the group that passes. The key is practicing with exam-style questions that cover the latest 2026 laws. At Open Exam Prep, we offer hundreds of Texas-specific questions for free. Our AI-powered platform identifies your weak spots and creates a custom study plan to help you improve. Don't leave your success to chance. Start practicing today and walk into your exam with confidence.